Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can fix our mind. Who have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stay aside and look? Ooh, some say it's just a part of it. They've got to fulfill the book. Won't you have to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever hate redemption songs, redemption songs.